Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the Suzette stitch. It's super easy, it's beginner friendly. This is my little swatch right here. It's pretty stretchy, it would look nice in scarves, on blanket, little simple projects like that. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so to begin we're going to create a slip knot on our hook. You can do this in any way you'd like. And we're going to chain in multiples of 2. So for my little swatch I did at the beginning of the video, that is a chain of 12. So I think I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, move my scissors. Now that we have our desired amount of chains, what we're going to do is single crochet into that second chain from the hook. Alright? Then what we're going to do is yarn over and we're going to double crochet in that very same chain space. Alright, we're going to skip the next chain and we're going to single crochet into the one after that. We're going to yarn over and double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, we're going to skip the next stitch. We're going to single crochet in the one after that. And then double crochet in that same chain. And we're going to keep doing that all the way across the row until we get to the last 2 stitches. Alright, now that we're on the last 2 stitches, what we're going to do is single crochet in the very last stitch of the row. Alright, now that that's done, we can move on to row 2 and turn our work. And into the base of that chain 1, we are going to work a single crochet like so. And then we're going to make a double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, then we're going to skip this next stitch and work into the stitch after that, and we're going to make another single crochet. Then we're going to yarn over and we're going to make a double crochet in that same stitch. Alright, then we're going to skip the next stitch and work into the next one with a single crochet. And we're going to double crochet in that same stitch. And we're going to continue doing the same pattern all the way across. Alright, and now that I've at my last 2 stitches, I'm going to come all the way over here to the end and single crochet. Alright, and this is your basically your pattern. So if you repeat this, which I'm going to do for a 3rd row, chain 1, turn my work. If you repeat this pattern over and over again, you get this lovely reversible stitch. It's almost a floral pattern in my opinion, but it's very beginner friendly. I'm going to insert our hook into the base of that chain 1 and single crochet. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook. We're going to make a double crochet in that same space. We're going to skip a stitch and single crochet. Going to double crochet in that same stitch. And once you get into the swing of it, it'll be easy as pie. Let's zoom in a little bit. So like I said, as you continue to work up your swatch, you're going to end up with this double-sided pattern. Like I said, it almost looks floral to me. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. But that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for reaching the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I post crochet tutorials every Sunday. I'm also on several different social media platforms, everything almost except Snapchat. So go ahead and check me out on those places too. And until next time guys, happy making.